Hi guys, welcome back to our my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to Camden, and I have a bad news for me. It's not that bad. Yeah, it is, girls. The baby's not gonna coming, and I bought them with my mom. So we give all the things like food, these for cooking, for sleeping. So we have tents and some food, tea, coffee, you know. And everyone has, what they called it, different outfit. I have these. I feel cold in these places. I'm not putting the. Mommy, can we go play with other girls? Yeah, girls, but be careful. Careful. Okay, Mom. Let that break. Oh. Look at these. Righty. Oh, there's a dog. There's a snake. No, it's not. It's a snake sloth, I think. Let's try these. So good. Let's play with ants. Oh, bears. Oh my gosh, what that sound? Ew. Oh, that's a little goat. Come here, little. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hi, doggy. There's a lot of dog. Yeah, I know. Look at these. Oh my god. I love it. Look at these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, can we go? Take it with us? Let's ask our parents. That's so scary. It's not have a head. Thanks to God. Look at these. It's egg. It's having a cute bird. I think let's. Ow. There's something came on my foot. Let's hurry up. Oh, let's play with it. Wait, you was want it? Yum. Well, yummy. Ah! Okay. But these girls, why you jump in the water? We have a cute bird. I don't come along. I don't. Oh my gosh, there's so many clothes. Sorry, Mom. It's gonna be dry anyway. I'm gonna fishing. I'm gonna do the tents. Weird time is right. So this is tent number 1. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I think let's put here. Good. The pink one is gonna be for me. The last one. What else is came that? Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. I'm gonna put it near them. Yeah. Grass. Here. Okay, good. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look what I found. Oh my gosh, there's an annoying tent. Oh wow, cute. If I could hide these, look. Cute. Look, guys, what I found. It's gonna be my new bed. Please. Okay, they're gonna too. Yes, Mommy, yes, thank you. Okay, it's fish angry. I wanna eat. Okay, why did I do? I'm gonna sit and see and read these things. Okay, let me put these. Okay, good. Waiting for a fish. Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh, that's. Oh my god, it's so big. Wow, it's okay, good. Put it here. Okay, again, I hope this being good. I hope to that. Okay, let's go. I read it for him. Okay, there is fish. Oh, I thought small. But it's gonna be a fish in anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna drink coffee. Oh my gosh, I hate these. Wow. Those 3 enough? Yes, I think. Oh, it's game night. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Where are the girls? Oh my gosh, they're not. Girls, come here, the night cave. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Mother, I'm so scared. I'm gonna sit here and play with your, you know. I'm gonna cook the fish. I'm gonna cook it, babe. Oh, this is sweet. Okay, I'm gonna actually hate my dad cooking, but I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. Did I hear anything? No, Dad, everything's fine. I'm turning it off. But the fish on? Is not here. Oh my gosh. The last fish. Try to cook it in. Okay. Here. Girls, just sleep. Just sleep. Sleep. Okay, the dinner is ready. Oh my gosh, James, that's so scary. Oh. Okay. Girls, do you want anything? Let them, they're asleep. I'm gonna let these for them. Girls, give mommy a minute. Okay. I'm gonna just turn this off. See you guys in the morning. Okay, wake up, baby. Wake up. Me too. I'm gonna put my clip. And wake up. Let's go. Let's go to the nearest supermarket. Okay, I'm gonna put the tents. Oh my gosh. In the bags. Okay, and the bags, I'm gonna hide it over here. We don't want anybody but touch them. Okay guys, we arrived here and I get some cash. Hi, welcome. Mom, Dad, I want a hot dog. You want a hot dog, little girl? Yes, please. Can I have that? You too. You. Dad? Let me give the bread. I hope we have. If there's any bread. I don't know. Okay, get away here. One of these. I came with the fresh bread. Let me put the hot dog. There you go. And there you go. Okay. Can you bake? Yeah, of course. Take. Oh, thank you. Have a good choke. Sorry. Dad, can I try it? Okay, girls, sit here. I'm gonna go buy some things. Then I'm gonna tell you. Okay. Hi. Oops. Can we take a basket? Take it, then. Yeah, if we understand. Thank you. What do you want? I think you want a cereal. Okay, good. Get my sis walking. Okay. So my butt. Okay. Carousel. I think. I don't know what else. Candy. Oh, that's unhealthy. Chicken. For all of us. Okay. Let's see what they have here. Some beans. Nothing here. What? Let me try with these tomatoes. Oh, okay. We start from here. Okay, let's see. Let's make these two. Okay, good. Thank you for sharing the last. No problem. Let's go, babe. We want milk. Okay, that's weird. Okay, take some fruit, I think. Mushrooms. Um, I don't know. Maybe carrot or some things. You're gonna surprise. Okay, but, but, but. Oops, what's happening? Oh my gosh, that's so making me mad. When that food next. Oh, there you are. Okay, let's take in a pineapple. Oh, it's full. Oh, it's full. Okay, let's go. Hey, I'm here. I'm thinking first. I wanna buy this hot dog. Okay. No problem. Okay, now pay. I don't have the money. I don't have money. I'm sorry. No, you're not sorry. You have to pay. Okay? I'm gonna eat it. Bye. Oh my gosh, they steal it. Gosh, that's so rude. He steals so much. I'm gonna tell the police anyways. Okay, how much is it? $30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, that's a lot. Thank you. Sorry. Okay, bye. Can we get a bite of candy? The two $10. Okay. Just gonna take the same color. We have a kids, you know. Very cute. Okay, there you go. Okay. Let's go. Hey girls, did you finish it? Yeah, honey. Get us something. Candy. Oh, you're stuck. You're mine. Don't worry. Can I have a candy? Sure, sir. Oh my gosh. There you go. Thank you, Dad. Can we go right now? I'm gonna eat my money. Oh, okay. Let's go, girls. Let's go right now. Let's back and cook all these things. So today, tomorrow, sorry, like the same this time, we're gonna back to the home. Let's go. Okay, we arrived. I'm gonna cook. Good. Okay, get the food. Okay, go play, or I don't know what you're doing. Exploring. Yummy. I'm gonna some chicken. Look at this. I just by myself. Anyway, I'm gonna mix it with carrot. Oh my gosh. Okay. See your cereal. That. Okay. Okay. Mushrooms. Okay. No milk. Not these. Oh my gosh. Not these. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. Let me cook it. Where it is. Okay. Put it here. Here. Okay, good. Think that for tomorrow breakfast, and this for today's snack. Okay. All of you, the lunch is ready. Okay, let's go, girls. Girls. Okay, we came. Okay. there's the snacks. There you go. Okay. Go right now. Let's go across and exploring. Find Dad. Look at these. We have to find this stupid head. Okay. Dad, we just... I don't know where it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, here I was young and I found this arm. But I don't find the head yet. Can you help me, guys? I really doesn't know. I'm not acting right now. Let's go. Okay. Maybe it's here. Anything? Here. Okay. Oh my gosh, a snake sloth? Weirdo. There's nothing moving, actually. Okay, let's swim in there. Okay, just... I'm gonna eat some beans. Okay. Let me cook it. Wait. Okay. What's that? Yeah. Here you go, babe. Thank you. Okay, guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. I'm sorry because I'm not uploading every day. I have school and I have exams too, and I have to study. So maybe I'm gonna every week. I don't know, maybe like that. So yeah, that's it. Bye.